Hello and welcome to the third video of our series of charting data points. Remember, in our first video we took data sets / word problems and put it into a T-chart. Then we took the data from the T-chart and created a bar graph. And now we're going to take this same data from the other two videos and create a line graph. Now, in order to set up a line graph, you do the same exact thing as you do for the bar graph. Draw lines. Then you want to set your labels and your title. Down here is names. And you have your numbers. Again, we're going to set our increments to 2 because since we're still using the same data set, I think it's still best that we use increments of 2. And again, we're going to write our names at the bottom. Okay, so now we have the exact same setup as we did with the bar graph. Now this time, instead of making lines or bars at the top when I get to the number, I'm just going to put a dot. So first we have Allison. She has 16. Edward has 12 marbles. Kennedy has 10. And Abdiel also has 12. So now I have all of my data points plotted on the graph. And what makes this a line graph is that now I'm going to draw a line from data point 1 to data point 2, showing a decrease. Now from data point 2 to data point 3, this also shows another decrease, but not one that's quite as bad as the first one. And now from data point 3 to data point 4, and this line shows an increase of the amount of marbles. So you see here we have a peak at the very top. This peak shows that this is the highest number of marbles. It is also the highest point on the graph. So you can see Allison has the most. Now the lowest point on the graph is way below the highest. And that is the lowest number, which is 10. Kennedy has 10 marbles. And then you can see these 2 points are on the same level, meaning both Edward and Abdiel have the same number of marbles, which is 12. Comment down below, if I wanted to make an even higher peak than 16, what numbers could I use? Now, just like the times before when I had you create your own examples, I want you to check out the link in the description. Use the same chart from the examples before that have your data points in it, and then create your own line graph. When you click the link, there will be a blank graph. This time, instead of creating the bar graph, create the line graph. And if you don't have your data points from before, don't worry, it will be along with the blank graph. In our next video, we're going to talk about taking data points from a T-chart and creating a pie graph. What do you think a pie graph is? Comment down below what you believe a pie graph is. And thanks for watching.